Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheese chicken katsu. It's chicken cutlet with some cheese inside. Chicken cutlet is delicious already, but with cheese it's even better. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this cheese chicken katsu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, some cheese, any cheese you like. I'm using cheap processed cheese today, which is good enough. 2 cups of panko breadcrumb, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and some salt and pepper. Chicken breast. Remove the skin and trim all the fat. Slant the knife like this and make thin slices. Same for the other one. By slanting the knife, you have wider dimension here, so it's easy to wrap cheese. Put plastic film on cutting board. Then chicken. Another plastic film on top. And let's beat it with rolling pin to tenderize and also to standardize the thickness. If you have meat mallet, you can use it and you don't need the plastic film on top. Some salt and pepper, and some cheese. Then wrap it with flattened chicken. I'm going to bread them, so let's make some batter. So here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Let's put little less than 1 cup of cold water to make thick batter. So it's a bit thicker than my regular butter. Make sure cheese is all wrapped with the chicken. Into the batter. Then panko. All breaded, so it's time to fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil over medium heat and let's check if the cheese is all wrapped. Then into the oil. And fry them for 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. Looking good on both sides, so let's take them out. Before frying the second batch, make sure to remove all the panko in the frying pan. All fried. Let it sit for 5 minutes to settle the cheese. It's been 5 minutes and it's still hot, but it's not too hot. So let's cut and see how it looks inside. Let's serve with some salad. And cheese chicken katsu is ready to go. tasting. Let's put some sauce. I'm using tonkatsu sauce today, but any sauce you like. And いただきます。Chicken and cheese cutlet. How can it be bad? Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Cheese chicken katsu is the main, so it goes here, and the salad I served with replaces one of the side dishes. Some sort of pickle to refresh your palate for the other side. Plain rice here and onion miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!